Right guys, as you can see, I've got these Evolution fold-up saw horses, trestles, whatever you want to call them. Just easier to use, but they're sort of narrower than the last ones I had, so I'm going to utilise the old thing. This was getting a bit battered, to be perfectly honest with you. So I'm just going to do a quick cut down, make sure I can get these to fit. You can see how short it was there on that one, so I'm just going to cut them down. It's just shop furniture, so there's nothing special, no fancy bells and whistles, that kind of thing. I just find that these sawhorses, I've used them now on a couple of projects where I've just rigged something else up, and they're really, really good, and they're really good value for money. And these were bought off my own money. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I just thought if I see something or get something, I'd share it with you. I have got a link in the description if you want to have a look at that. But it's for a money off code. You get a bit of something off because I've got a code of Evolution, but I did purchase these with my own money. So the first job I'm gonna do is I've just flipped that upside down. Obviously that's sitting there. I've just flipped that upside down. I've made these gaps anyways for the 4x2s slightly wider, and then I'm coming from that anyway, and then sort of like that, and I'll do that on all of them. You don't have to be proper perfect about it, because it's, like I said, it's all for just cutting down sheet goods and stuff like that. Now I've got, when I order me plywood and stuff like that, I get them to cut it down. They come like 1200 wide, and I get them to rip them down to 600 just for easy storage, because I store them in my van there or under like carport where I work. So I don't need extra wideness, and I need as much space as I can. So what I'll do is I'll cut the first one to fit, and then I'll make the rest as a template. Make this as a template and cut the other two. And then I want to come down. Do we really need that in there? Do we really need it? Not really. So I'll just cut all that out there. Cut all that off there. So like that. If you're ever in Lidl, watch me tool tours videos, because I'll let you know when these come back in. They're really good value for money clamps. They are good. Highly recommended. I could use a jigsaw or a circular saw or something like that, but I want to use this, my Temple tool saw. I get so much satisfaction from using it. It's just a really nice thing to have, and it just cuts through things. Nice and easy. Right guys, as you can see, it's got that notch there, so that holds it in place anyway. Slide in, and then just on the other end. That'll do. That'll do fine. I'll do that on the next two now. So basically now I've got that to fit. The ground's a bit unlevel there, but it doesn't really matter for this, what I'm doing. Cut them in, didn't take me long at all, so now I can use them without making another one. But I have got a video coming when I'm going to make some of these that can be all interchangeable and stuff like that. I'm going to be doing them out of plywood. But I've got a project coming up now where I need that because I've got to cut some plywood up for a different project. So guys, I hope you like that quick short video. I just thought I'd show it you as I was doing it. Right guys, hope you like that little quick sort of video. It was something I knocked together and I thought I'd just put it out and show you. But sort of a good takeaway from that is if you want sheet goods, ask your local supplier to cut them down for you, because most of the time they've got the big panel saws and all that kind of stuff. And they might cut it down, like they might 3 cuts then charge it or something like that. I'm lucky they cut it down, they'll give them all rip cuts. If I start taking a piss, you know, they'll tell me to do one. But it's handy for me to have. And them sort of sawhorse trestle type things from Evolution, they're a bit narrower. So, you know, when you're cutting, you're not leaning over as much and things like that. So they are really, really good for that respect. The other ones were just a bit too, they're a bit too big. And when you were folding them away, they were a bit too clunky and it took ages. They're up and down in no time. And they're really good value for money, like I said. But, you know, it's you, it's your money, you go and get what you want. But I would highly recommend them because they're just easy to work with. And that's what we want. We want sort of like quick setup, you know, easy to put away. You're in a small space, so these things need to be put away, don't they? So that's that. So I just hope you liked the video. It was just something I'd sort of put together. I thought I'd show you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, don't miss any of my woodworking, gardening and all that kind of stuff. And another thing while I'm on, if it sounds like I'm breathing heavy, some people have mentioned it to me. There's nothing wrong with breathing. It's this microphone. I don't know what it is. It picks up, you know, you're breathing. I don't know what it does. I ain't got a clue. I'm going to have to get Lil's boyfriend, the geek, to have a look at it and make sure I don't sound like some kind of weird batshit serial killer or something like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm stop waffling, let you get back to your evening. Enjoy the sunshine and see you on the next one.